that's Reece Falkenberg leading. Juniors and intermediate, they're all in one race today. That is Olivia Sweeney in 057. Year-old dad drove that last year without the 0 in the front. Behind that, in the 18A car, in that one is Brad Hofflerner. The car is Michaela Emery and Chris Lewis. Back to 126. Still leading at this stage, Reece Falkenberg as he goes around the outside, coming into the S-bends on the other side. They had a little bit of trouble this morning with overheating problems on the 057 cars. Look like they've sorted those out so far, and I bet you they're all sitting in the pit watching it go around, hanging onto a piece of wood. Brad Hofflerner in the 18. The battle at this stage is the second and third. See Reece Falkenberg over the other side. He's getting a little bit loose at the back end. And the other two that are racing down the front here, that is Michaela Emery. I think she's only 11 this year from memory. And I think it's fantastic to see the young kids out there in the start. And that is John Lewis there, both juniors. The other three took that one a bit Rich. And gets a bit sideways, but no hassles for him at this stage as he's catching up to the juniors. Now these are all basically underage drivers into intermediate or learner drivers, and ever since I've been coming out here, I've been quite amazed. I mean, you have a look at Reece, number 75, he's in what you would think is third position at the moment, and he sits behind these smaller, well, the younger drivers, slightly more experienced. Until they find amazing how they do that, and they don't hassle the hell out of them. Again, you can see the 18 car there of Brad Hofflerner doing exactly the same thing. Come up on the slower cars, and that's held them all down. And to be quite honest, I've been watching young Michaela over the last couple of seasons here at TDR. And she holds a really, really nice line. She doesn't drive super hard. I think she's a little bit worried about damaging the car because Dad's driving it later. But she does drive an extremely good race line, which I might add, until you get down to the bottom when she goes wide there, and that's just to allow the faster cars through. But, takes a very good race line down the bottom, and again going a little bit wide, let them through. But that makes her harder to pass on most of the corners here than you would normally find. Now the juniors have been lapped by the intermediate drivers. That is Reece Falkenberg in the 75 coming up the main straight to take the checkers lap. He'll go first. The second, Brandon Hofflerner the third. That's in the intermediate section. Now we'll see who takes it out in the junior race here. As they put the two races together, I would say Michaela in the V8 will have a little more. And I do believe that young lady is maybe 11 this year. I think last year she